time to talk about some adjectives. An adjective is a word that describes a noun. So see why we had to learn nouns first? A person, place, thing, or animal. So an adjective is a word that is going to describe that person, place, thing, or animal. All right. Adjectives can tell you how many. So if our noun is cookie, that's a thing. How many cookies? 1 cookie. 1 is an adjective. 10 cookies. 10 is an adjective. I've got to go do some chores. Chores are things that I have to do around the house. How many do you have to do? Some. Some is how many. So some is an adjective. Friends are people. I have friends. How many friends? Lots of friends. So lots is an adjective. 3 friends. 3 is an adjective. Tons of friends. Ton is an adjective. It describes how many friends you have. And then the last example there says a few kids. So a few kids are not doing their work. Doesn't mean the whole class. It just means a few. How many? Few. That's the adjective. So how many pencils do you have? I probably have hundreds. So hundreds is an adjective describing pencils. Adjectives can also tell what a noun looks like. So, oh, look at the cute baby. What kind of baby? Cute baby. Tells you what it looks like. I'm going to mark their answers wrong with my red pen. What kind of pen? Red pen. Pen, baby, those are nouns, a person and a thing. What kind of monster? A monster is a thing. It's a scary monster. Scary describes the monster. A kitten, oh, look at the tiny kitten. Tiny describes the kitten. Adding those adjectives in gives you more description so people can picture better what it looks like. And it also makes it more interesting. I have a baby. No, I have a cute baby. Look at the kitten. Instead, we could say, look at the tiny black kitten. Tiny is an adjective describing what it looks like, and black is too. It looks like the color is black. An adjective can tell what a noun feels like. So this is my soft blanket. The blanket is soft because sometimes there are scratchy blankets. Let's be honest. Don't touch that pan. Why not? It's a hot pan. I need to know that that's how it feels. That describes the pan. The towel is wet. It's a wet towel. Sharp knife. So hot, soft, sharp, and wet all describe the nouns. They're adjectives. Can you use an adjective to describe what your hair feels like? So feel your hair. You might have soft hair, or you might have scratchy hair, or you might have sharp and pointy hair, or stiff hair, or I don't know. What else could you use to describe hair? You come up with a word. Adjectives can tell what a noun sounds like. I hear music. What kind of music? I don't know. Loud music. They need to turn it down. What kind of music? Loud. Loud describes the music. Music is a thing. Oh, I love how my students are all being quiet. What kind of students? Quiet students. Quiet describes the students. I have a voice. What kind of voice? A beautiful voice. Beautiful describes my voice. Thank you so much. And then, what was that sound? What kind of sound? A strange sound. So loud, beautiful, quiet, strange are all ways that you can describe how things sound. If you are using adjectives at the bottom, it says to describe what the playground sounds like, you might say loud or noisy or crazy or chaotic or friendly. Friendly playground noise. Sure. Can also describe what nouns taste like. So pretzel is a noun, it's a thing you eat, and a pretzel tastes salty. Buttery popcorn, tasty dinner, sweet corn. And if we switch those around, I don't really want a sweet pretzel. Maybe, I guess if there's cinnamon sugar. And I don't know if I have a buttery dinner, that might be mashed potatoes or something. Can you use adjectives to describe what your breakfast tasted like? Maybe, and they don't have to be good. It could be, my breakfast was nasty. I had some nasty, dry toast. So how would you describe my toast? Nasty and dry. I had some greasy, crispy bacon. What kind of bacon? Crispy and greasy. So I can use more than one adjective. What adjectives can you use to describe this noun? Something car. What kind of car? Red car. Describes what it looks like. Or fast car describes how it moves. How many cars? 3 cars. All right. What adjective can you use to describe the noun house? Big house, little house. Purple house. What is a purple house? I had to go straight to purple because that's my favorite color. What else would describe a house? Lopsided house. Maybe it's like got like in a tornado. or haunted house. Ooh, that's a good one. So, all right, that is what an adjective is. Now, let's play a game and do some practice on adjective. So when you click the game, the adjective game on the Post-it, it's going to take you to ABC. Yeah, you get to play this. It's a little adventure game. New game. Pick which little avatar do you want. I like the blue hair. On yes. Once upon a time, a terrible dragon attacked the kingdom of Liguina. The dragon stole all of the king's treasures. Only an adjectives master will be able to retrieve the orb of adjectives and bring back the king's treasure. Will you journey to the pyramid of adjectives and become the hero we need? All right, so you can read these, but you're going to walk around. You can collect the coins. All right, you may only pass if you answer my questions correctly. Which of the following words are adjectives? Have or hungry? The hungry hippo. That describes a hippo, hungry. Fierce or feline? The fierce monster, fierce. Thought or thoughtful? I have a thought. That's a thing I have, so that would be a noun. But the thoughtful teacher, thoughtful. Helpful or helper? The helpful student, helpful. A goat is an animal, it's a thing, a noun, so no. Grumpy goat. Grumpy describes the goat. Woo! All right. So as fun as that is, I'm actually going to stop. But that's how you play it. Okay, so you're going to do the adjective game on there. And then in your packet, in your writing packet, page number 3, you have alien adjectives. I want you to do this to practice adjectives. So it says, circle the adjective in each sentence, then tell what noun the adjective is describing. So the first sentence is, actually, let's look at the example. It says, the green alien worked out of the spaceship. So you're going to circle the adjective. Green. Green is a color that describes what? The alien. So then the adjective is green and it describes the alien is what that would be for the example. So you do this for the rest. Happy adjective adventurers.